Hello, Caroline at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a weightless barbell workout. So this workout has 6 exercises. Everything is done 10 times, and this is built to be done 2 times through. So I'll do the first set with you, then you can do it again, follow through again for that second set. Make sure you do get a proper warm-up before we get started. Our first exercise is going to be push press. So you'll have your feet shoulder width apart. We'll have the bar up. We're going to go down and press. Ten times. Good. All right. Next exercise, we're going to do barbell shoulder shrugs. So we're just going to hold it here, and we're going to shrug 10 times. Good. Next, we're going to do sumo squats. So you're going to have wide legs here, and we'll squat 10 times. Good. All right, we're going to take a 30-second break. Grab some water. So our last 3 exercises, to give you a heads up, are going to be front raise, a high pull, and good morning. So I'll obviously demonstrate all of those for you. All right. So for front raise, you're just going to go in front. Last one. Good. I'm going to set this down for a second. Catch your breath. All right. Next, we're going to do a high pull. So we're going to bend down and pull up. Go on your toes. Down and pull up. Good job, almost done. Good. Okay, we're going to shift the barbell to our shoulders. The last is going to be a good morning. I'll turn to the side so you can see. You're going to want to have a slight bend in your legs. Just going to bend down. 10 of these. Working those hamstrings. Good job. Good job. All right. So those are your 6 exercises for your barbell workout. Again, if you want to put weight on, you can. For me, the front raises are pretty tough. So if you do this and that's a little bit too hard, just grab some dumbbells to do instead. Again, this is meant to be done 1 more time, 2 sets in total. Make sure you have your water. Make sure you're getting a good warm up and a good cool down and trying to stretch after. Thank you for joining us. Have a good one.